Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to combine two images into one using Photoshop. First, import the object image you want to merge. Select it and copy it, then open the main image and paste the copied object into it. To scale it properly, press Ctrl+T+Shift on your keyboard to keep the proportions right. Select all the image layers. Go to the Edit menu. Choose Auto Blend Layers. Select Stack Images. And click OK. The result will blend naturally. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.